is amazing. It's sitting at the speed of 100, I believe.
Just fish shower. The shower in the pool. That's right.
Alright, one must experience this in their life. One of the biggest pools known as Glenwood Hot Springs in Colorado. The specialty of this pool is amazing. I'll walk you through shortly. But if you see, the pool is like a football court size, biggest pool. So this is a warm water, sort of hot. This is a bit of warm water, and then there are 5 special pools up there. Oh my god, that's damn amazing. It has different minerals. The temperature is controlled in a different way. One is super cold, one is super hot, one is medium hot, one is medium cold. Crazy, your body reacts to it. This guy here, known as Yampah mineral baths. This guy is sort of hot, and that guy is sort of super hot. This guy is a bit cold, and those out there too is super cold. Unbelievable pools, and the specialty, this is on the top of the mountains. Amazing, isn't it? So far, my best one is this guy. It's super cold. I love this. This is super hot. Must visit, guys.
Alright, so now jumping to the another pool.
This is very cold. It's so damn cold. It's
You're liking here.
ice challenge, ice cube challenge, bucket challenge. Let me get into it.
Crazy. Wow. So let's go into the falling waters pool. Alright. I can join you in here. This is warm water, like not much hot. And you see that fall, this is like really amazing. It has like all minerals. So it tastes like a very weird taste, but it's just an amazing experience. Totally nirvana, like somewhere in the middle of the mountains. My hubby's enjoying this. Yay.
Not so hot, not so cold. This
It's
is warm.
warm.
It's amazing. 5 different pools. There's different sort of minerals. Must try.
See all these mountains all around. Alright, we'll catch you in another pool. Here he goes again. Now the massager and the
Try
pool.
something. There's a massage chair. Let me feel it. Oh, there is a water hitting on your body from all 4 directions. 2 in the leg and 2 at the back. Feels so good. It's like you're sitting on a massage chair.
Isn't it amazing to have a massage chair in the pool?
Wow.
Really nice.